Axie limitlessness in a real sense shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in an all things considered significant way. The cost of Axie vastness by and large has fallen by 7.77% in the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought. As far as Axie support floor, it for the most part is currently $10.21 amazingly. Axie fundamentally has its next obstruction at $11.87. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. 18 August 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Axie endlessness cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually truly clarified some pressing issues facts. What truly is fundamentally transient cost expectation for Axie boundlessness basically is acts as a sort of wise speculation, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Axie boundlessness support and opposition levels and so on in an extremely enormous manner. However, prior to plunging in every way that really matters, profound into the Axie's specialized examination, certainly let us fundamentally discuss the very current economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Market investigation over the absolute last 24 hours, there explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,053,100,425,532, which in a real sense is very huge. The especially all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $71,015,534,287. So the really complete exchanging volume truly remains at $71,015,534,287, which sort of is very huge. Bitcoin shares 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how the cost of Axie vastness essentially has fallen by 7.77% in the past 24 hours, which generally is very critical, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,100.98 level after a decay of 8.17% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value decline of 6.02%. Coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours, showing that Bitcoin shares 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting how the cost of Axie vastness essentially has fallen by 7.77% in the past 24 hours in an unpretentious way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $217.42 following a value change of 5.26% within a similar time span, which explicitly is genuinely critical. XRP, the very local coin of XRP for the most part, is somewhere near 13.42, and as of now exchanging at 51 cents, which fundamentally shows that as far as Axie's support floor, it generally is presently $10.21 in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market really is going in every practical sense, descending bearing for especially transient in a by and large significant manner. As of now, an especially broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how right now, a very broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie vastness backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to by and large distinguish essentially key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which especially shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value diminishing of 6.02%, coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how the cost of Axie endlessness for the most part has fallen by 7.77% in the past 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. Support truly is a level at which purchasers basically become in every practical sense all the more for the most part dynamic and basically prevent the coin's costs from falling any further, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which vendors in every practical sense move exceptionally dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Axie limitlessness, acts as Axie endlessness execution. The especially everyday graph of Axie boundlessness generally shows that the axis cost explicitly has a sort of descending development with a 7.77% decline in beautiful beyond 24 hours. All things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking, the value worth of the Axie limitlessness axis coin certainly is remaining at $4.87. With market capitalization $685,705,522 United States dollars, exhibiting how right now, a sort of broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how as of now, a for the most part broad by and large bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Or so they in a real sense thought. Axis cost changes 18.94% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume especially is floating around $55,199,095 United States dollars, exhibiting how these occasions for the most part show that the market in a real sense is going in an extremely descending bearing for exceptionally transient in a huge manner. Axie endlessness value examination axis cost examination for 18 August 2023, inside a sort of everyday time span, especially made sense of beneath, which especially shows that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an especially huge way. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving pretty normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including really straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving extremely normal, EMA2 in every practical sense. Dissect the future development of the Axie infinity. The Axie endlessness by and large has explicitly break all its sort of supports levels, and things in a real sense are not looking great for the crypto market, showing how support for the most part is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become substantially more kind of dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. At present, certainly bears generally are in charge of the market and effectively sort of take axis cost underneath the significant help level of $10.21, exhibiting that Axie endlessness really shows negative force over the course of the end of the week in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining underneath of the for the most part signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents. In the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which essentially is very critical, Axie endlessness financial backers need to by and large hang tight for any directional change over the truly everyday diagram, or so they basically thought. RSI